how to fix login errors on Bybit. If you would like to fix your login errors on Bybit, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, first of all, you have to simply go ahead and launch the Bybit application right here. Once you launch the Bybit app and you're having issues logging in, it could be due to a couple of reasons. First, we want to make sure it's not the issue with our internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch to cellular if you're using cellular, vice versa, right? After that, it could be the issue with the Binance app also. So you can long press the Binance app icon, tap on the I button to come to the app info page. From there, you can simply scroll down to the storage section, clear the cache files, right? So the Bybit app, sorry, not the Binance, but the Bybit app, long press on it, then go to storage, clear cache and clear the data, and that should also hopefully help you solve the problem. Now, last of all, you could also be having this issue due to incorrect credentials. So if you went to the login button, right, and you logged in with either your Google account or whatever else option, then in that case, it could be that you have entered an incorrect password. So if you forgot your password also, you can tap on the forgot password button right there if you'd like to reset your password, and hopefully that should help you solve most of your login issues you're having with the Bybit app. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.